Okay, let me hobble back to my chair now. All right, now we back. I made it. I'm refreshed. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so let's get into this luxury shopping haul while I've been convalescing. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakeedah. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's free. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. Costs you nothing. Costs you nothing, but it means everything to me. It's like right here in my spirit. Go ahead, subscribe button. But let me hurry up. Let's get into this unboxing. I got two unboxings. Y'all know the drill. Y'all just saw me a couple of days ago. I missed y'all. Y'all know I missed y'all. But y'all saw me a couple of days ago, which in real life was a couple hours ago. It was. I took a nap, fresh off the hospital streets, and I want to unbox it. UPS did come, so I got two things. Let's start with I think this is the smallest thing first. Y'all know I always go through my essay. She sent me a bag. She just gonna send me a bag. I don't know why I got a bag this time, but bag. And then the box. Why am I yelling? I feel like I'm yelling. Like, I think I might have took too much. Okay. And then receipt. Okay, receipt. And then I already took the other one out. Listen, y'all know I'm in this wheelchair. I can't be, moving. So if y'all see me doing a little reaching, y'all okay. The big one was in another box. I had already took that out the box because the last one I just did a couple hours ago when I was unboxing my new Jimmy Choo's, trying to get it out that big, but it was struggle bus, okay, and I wanted to get off. All right, but this was in the other box. It fell out, and it is a perfume sample. Well, not a perfume sample. It's one of the little cute ones. Okay, at Trap Reeves. I got the big bottle of this up there. Can y'all see it? If not, I'll put a picture. I got a big bottle of this, but this is a good travel size one. So I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, let me. Okay, I got it. All right, I thought I was gonna have to call for my sister aunts. Okay. So let's get into the first unboxing. I already know what it is, but I ain't tell it. Talking about I don't know how to keep secrets. Okay, come on now. Why it's not coming? Why is trying to play with my emotions? Can I take the ribbon off? Listen, this ain't my fault. Okay, I'm trying to get. It's not up. Okay, she made it secure. All right. My CA say it will be secure, honey. All right. Now listen, I want to say just a side note, real quick. This is the first time I've seen an appropriate size box for the item. That's all I'm saying. Okay, because usually the box is hella big for no reason. Okay, I'm not complaining though. Let me. All right, here we go. Here we go. What is she? She is a toiletry pouch. So this is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Nice. Is it the BB size? Child, no. I don't know, but I know I'm gonna have some cords. No, I'm not. It ain't no textile cord. It ain't no SKU number. I know it's in here somewhere. Alright, we're gonna wait till we get to it. Child, I was trying to give you the appropriate information, but y'all already know, if you looking for professionalism, this is probably not the spot. Alright, but this is not a new addition to Louis Vuitton's collection. I do believe I'm about 99% 100% sure this is the largest one. I will find the product code number somewhere. Okay, how far am I? I don't know. Hold on. Let me scoot on up. I gotta take the locks off. Alright, hold on. Okay. Let me scoot on up. Give y'all. Alright, don't be laughing at me. I got a feeling y'all laughing while I was scooting. Don't be laughing. Alright. So this is the largest size you can get. Let me go ahead and do 360. 360. Okay. One piece of canvas. Except for this little, I guess, connection part here. It has a Fayetteville handle. And it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. Alright. Now when you undo her, it is a double zipper. Oh Lord Jesus. When you undo her, okay, she opens like this. Now again, this is a toiletry pouch, so the inside lining is wipeable. It has 2 slip pockets on the side. Okay, can you see that? Boop, boop. And then it has one larger zip pocket. And that tab says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. And then it has a top zipper compartment. Ooh, and that was smooth. Found them. Alright, here go the product code number. Y'all like, ma'am, you know that's blown out. I can't see that. It is M42265. It is the Nice BB. And then this is just the textile lining card. So here she go. Now I do have a vintage toiletry pouch, and then I have, where's she at? And then I have her. And then I have an old vintage trousseau toilet. I just like saying that. I don't know. I feel fancy when I say trousseau. But the vintage version of the toiletry pouch. So now I have, besides the toiletry, well, I can't say besides because it's in the name, Rakeedah. It's in the name. So I got the toiletry 15, 19, 26, 2 26s, and then I have the vintage trousseau toiletry. Then I have her, and then this is my newest toiletry edition, which is unnecessary because I don't go nowhere to use them. I mean, when I do go, it's camping, and who bringing this? Okay, let's move on. All right, to my featured. Well, she ain't no guest because she live here. She live here. I was about to say to my featured guest, but she live here. Okay, she belong here. She part of the family. Did that just slide off too easy? She slid that off. She a little fast. She presenting as a little fast because that came off way too easy. But okay, she's still welcome. I'm gonna open the box. I know. I'm gonna open the box. All right, here she go. Here she go. She a little disheveled. What you been through, baby? Hold on. Let me cover her up. She seems like she been through a lot. All right, let's take her out the box. All right, make sure this box don't hit me in the face. And here she go. Zun 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 zun. Okay, all right, I'm done. No, I'm done. I promise. I'm done. Hold on. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy and the black Empreinte giant monogram and Empreinte leather, obviously in black. She is not new. She's been out. Oh Lord, my legs starting to hurt. Okay, I'm gonna push through it. Because I'm a G, you know what I'm saying? But she's been out for a while. It was the black one, then it was the turtle dove. I wanted the turtle dove one first, and then the black one came, and then there's a wine color, wine maroon, you know, whatever floats your boat. And I don't know, I might get that one, but right now let's focus on her. She smells so good. That's that new that's that new level. Okay. Alright, so this is again the Speedy Empreinte leather and giant monogram. This is the size 25. We love an extended zip. Hold on, let me slide up to you. I ain't even like it, child. It's about to be an accident. Look at that extended zipper. Look at that. Hold on, come down. Look at that extended. Oh. It just chin checked me. Did y'all see that? Look at that extended zipper. Child. Girl, hold on. Look at this shiny gold hardware. Oh, she fancy. Okay, listen. Zoo. She said, look at my backside. Boom. I'm sorry. I really am. I don't mean to push y'all through this. Okay, let's get inside the bag. Alright. I need to go over it, but I'll do that later. I don't want to waste time. Alright, this is the little pouch that the lock goes on. I usually don't keep locks on my Speedy. Not really my thing. Like, I'm locking it up for what? If she's out the house, we together. We together. Alright. So, inside is the strap. And then it's just black suede lining, microfiber lining. And then it has one zipper pocket here. And then Louis Vuitton Paris. And it has one slip pocket on this side. And then the product code number is M58951. This is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere in the giant empreinte leather print. Alright, now let's get into, I'm going to just hold her like that. Let's get into the strap. Now the strap is obviously removable. It is adjustable with 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, no, okay. Listen, y'all know what, where'd I get that from? Where'd I get that from? Some movie that obviously I watched too many times. But there is 5 adjustable key laps. Key laps, that's not the word. Keyholes, no, that's not it either. What is it? 5, you could adjust it 5 times, okay? 5 different lengths, okay? There's 2 leather keepers for your, you know, your extra strap won't go flapping. It flap. I guess probably shouldn't flap like that anyway. But go flapping. There is 2. I do appreciate that. It makes the strap look a little neater and everything. Okay. Now I'm gonna just push that through. And then let's put her on. I know you like Rakeedah, we've seen a strap on a bag before. Which is true. But you know, listen, I'm gonna give you the whole experience. Okay? And at least until I pass out and this stuff starts taking effect. Alright, here we go. And that is her with the strap on. Oh, it still got stickers on it. Okay, imagine it with this. Hold on, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Oh, I took the lock off that time. I'm coming back. Okay. Here is the strap. And look at that clasp. Y'all see that claw clasp? This one still got the protective stickers on it. Let me take that off. Okay, that's too much work right now. I'm not taking it off. But listen, y'all know the claws already say Louis Vuitton, and then the grommets got Louis Vuitton. Alright, that is super cute. I like it. She is a welcome addition. Now, if y'all haven't seen my, let me lock this chair. This is how I be playing, getting hurt. Okay, listen. So if y'all haven't seen my Louis Vuitton Speedy collection, of course I will link that video up here. Go see it. And then when you watch it, just imagine her in the video, because she now belongs to that group. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me on the daily. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Rakeedah's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.